kit Ramogi TV kani atamalo maduong' mar mine manie bombe deko kapok ochako dhodho nyithindgi bang' nyuol kipimo kod mon mantiere kor gwenge. Maendi kaluwore kod ripot manogol kod migawo mar thieth mabende yango ni kwan mar mine makoro golo nyithindgi e dhoth nyaka e madho chak kokalo kuom chupni medore, gino ma jolony koni dhi keto ngima nyithindogo kamarach. Jodito e migawo mar thieth obago romo Nairobi ka mar manyo kaka inyalo jiw mine matindo mondo dhodh nyithindgi.
Our bottle feeding rates have moved from 26% to 34%, meaning that mothers are giving their babies formula feed, or mothers, even if they express their milk, they are using the bottle feeding, the bottle and the teat. And there are several dangers of that. You can see one of them: increased risk of infection. I said pneumonia, I said about otitis media and other infections. Then high risk of malnutrition, and this is because these people who are given bottle feeding may not have enough nutrition.
Breast milk varies depending on the duration, on the postnatal age after delivery. So that mother who delivered today, the milk will be different after 1 week. After 2 weeks, it's going to be different. And that difference is important because that milk is suitable for that baby who is for that age.
Those structural challenges that make our mothers leave their children at the most vulnerable are the communication that we need to pass, because as we heard from the pediatrician, when the mothers know that this is important for their baby, they will do anything to ensure that the child, the neonate or the newborn receives